What's up, YouTube? Today I got another build I'm doing, and I finally got all the parts. So I got one thing that came in the mail the other day, which is the first piece of it, a water cooler. Cooler master this time, and in white. It's gotta look nice. Let's see what we got here, though. Alright. Solid state drive. We got some 32 gigs of RAM here. This time we're not going all out. We went with the 5800X 8-core. Look at that bad boy right there. I'm always gentle with processors, they freak me out. Don't want any bent pins. 700 watt power supply. Let's see what's in box 2. Maybe this is the graphics card. Probably is the graphics card. Yep, here we go. So times are tough, man, with these price gauging and all the shortages, you know, so I got what I could get. So we got a RTX 3060 here, which for this computer's gonna be used for, should be more than enough. More hard drive space. And they included a DisplayPort to HDMI adapter, which I don't know why, but great, you know, I'll take a free gift, I guess. And that always worries me the most, the case. I already see some wrinkling on the box. I'm a little concerned. This is just this side, so hopefully we don't have damage. But we're about to find out, I guess. Be honest with you, I never had good experience with Newegg and cases. I haven't only bought one before, but the one I ever bought came in damaged. So, moment of truth. Is it damaged or is it not? Okay, it's got foam. Okay, so that's some hope, you know. The last time I had a box, it was like punched in the middle here and it had a giant dent on the other side, you know. This one has no indentations, so let me pull out of the box and see what we got. Oh, it's nicely packaged. Looks good so far. I haven't noticed anything. It's white, so a little bit harder to see any indentations or anything, but I think we're okay. I think we're good. All right. So it looks like everything was okay so far. Time to put it together and see if everything works. Yep. Time to start assembling.